All available at Spectrum Health. MedNow lets you see a Michigan doctor anytime, anywhere online. And if you get on the internet, you can pretty much get in front of a doctor. So here to tell us more about that is Dr. Doug Apple. Thank you so much for being here. Pretty neat to talk about this.
Yeah, very exciting.
Yeah, so tell us exactly what is MedNow?
MedNow is actually where we offer some services through technology, such as really what we would do if we were Skyping or FaceTiming somebody. So we actually have a couple different programs within MedNow that offer services now to pediatric and adult patients.
Oh, that is crazy. I mean, basically, yes, if you can get on the internet, if you can access it, you can talk to a doctor. Now, do you have to belong to Spectrum Health for this?
You do not. So you can be a patient of or a resident of Michigan, and if you need a low acuity or what we define as low acuity needs, such as a fever, cough, just as an example, you can actually access this service by using like your smartphone or a desktop computer. And it's just basically that you have to go in through spectrumhealth.org. At the top of that page, there is a My Health button, and you can sign in through that or register if you need to. And then from there, it's 4 easy steps to be able to schedule your own appointment.
Okay, so you do have to make sure that you schedule it. You can't just log in on any time, but
you can actually schedule it almost just almost on demand, if you will.
Okay,
it'll actually give you the options of what times of days are available. So whether you're at work or you're at home, you can look and see what time is most convenient for you. You can select that, and then we reconnect with you so that you can make that appointment.
That's very convenient. Probably very good for people that can't make it out of their homes, a little bit homebound too, or so that maybe have children that are sick and don't really want to get out of the house.
Yeah, we've had many experiences over the last 2 years. We've been piloting this for 2 years, and we really started to launch this more publicly back in the fall, and just recently then expanded it to pediatric patients. But we have many examples where it's a granddaughter helping out a grandmother who really needed to be seen but wasn't quite sure where to go. And this was a way for that example to be one in which we were able to help a patient out and make a granddaughter feel better.
Right, yeah, so you being a doctor, how interesting is this going to be part of?
Oh, it's very exciting. You know, one of the things that you constantly deal with when you're busy is trying to figure out, do I go to the doctor, do I go to the emergency room? Well, this is that option in between, and we're able to do it at a very affordable price, which I think really helps not just the patients, but also overall, it really is making it easier for us to provide care where we know we need to be delivering it.
Absolutely. And talk about price if you can for this.
So there's a couple different ways to which you can connect with your provider. One is through what we call e-visits, and that's more of the secure messaging, and that's the email or texting option, which allows you to be able to do so at just a small fee of $25.
Okay.
If you do a video visit, it's $45. The best part about that is, depending on your insurance, it's either covered or it's part of your deductible.
Okay.
And Priority Health has partnered with us to be able to help that as one of the benefits for Priority Health.
All right, and is there any time limit for these, or is it just like a regular doctor's appointment, however long it takes?
However long it takes. It's a matter of, what is the symptom and what it is that we need to do to help you, and whether it's prescribing or assisting in a further another appointment with a specialist or further recommendation. It's a great way to be able to find out, what is going on and what should I be doing next with it.
Very cool there. And one last time for folks in case they missed it, how can we log on to that?
Spectrumhealth.org, and then at the top of that web page is where you can click on My Health, and they'll help you from there. And there's also an 800 number on there that'll direct you if you need to have assistance by voice.
Wonderful. Dr. Doug Apple, we certainly do appreciate it. You see all that information on your screen. Again, to access MedNow, call 844-322-7374. And also you can use the My Health mobile app or look online at myhealth.spectrumhealth.org. My goodness, I hope I didn't mess that up too much. All right, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We'll come